I'm gonna turn this into this. Then change the color of her eyes from this to this. Stay tuned. Sup guys, DexTechPro with another video tutorial. In this demonstration, I'm gonna teach you guys how to remove unnecessary objects from images by some of the tremendous Photoshop tools. So I'm gonna do face removal and color replacement techniques, tips, and tricks in this very video tutorial. FYI, this video is split in two parts. The first part is removing fence from her face and doing some of the extra touches to fix undone parts. The second part is replacing the color of her eyes into green one. Okay, so buckle up guys, I'm gonna hit the first part now. But before getting this started, I wanna name all of the tools that I used to fix this image in Photoshop's toolbars, such as rectangular marquee, elliptical marquee, quick selection, lasso, crop, patch, healing brush, spot healing brush, clone stamp, brush, and eraser. Alrighty, here we go. We need to paint over the fence in order to make a removal mask and fill it with the artificial intelligence tools of Photoshop with the name of Content Aware Fill. First, unlock the background layer. Zoom in till you get the best view of the fence. Select the brush tool and give it a color. I'm gonna go for the blue one. You go with yours. Take your pick guys, not a big deal, right? Okay, set the size of the brush to the thickness of the fence by open close brackets keyboard shortcut keys, then start to paint over the fence. For the better result, first click to hit the top, hold down Shift, then click again to hit the bottom. This will draw a straight line over the fence which is fast and precise. Great. Now we're done with painting. Time to select it. Pick up selection tool and click on blue color to make our painting selected. Go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. Let it process. Fantabulous. Click on OK. Now merge the layers down as a single one. Duplicate the main layer as a backup one, then turn off the visibility because we don't need it yet. Select the main layer. Zoom in and start to fix undone parts by the tools that I already mentioned minutes ago. I go with the spot healing brush, then I switch between tools. Let's fast forward video to save the time, so stay tuned. Alright guys, that's the end of this first part and time for the second one. Select the face. Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl N to make a new canvas. Then Ctrl V to paste. Let's crop it a little bit, focusing on the eyes instead. Great. Fit it to the screen. Pick up elliptical marquee tool. Delete the background layer which ain't needed anymore. Make a brand new layer for the left eye. Zoom in. Draw a selection around her eyeball. Change the color to white. Hit Alt Backspace to fill it. Deselect the selection. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. I reckon 50 pixels will do great here. Hit on OK. We do the same for the right eye. Add a new layer. Draw a selection around eyeball. Adjust it. Fill it white. Deselect. Filter, Gaussian Blur. Zoom out. Select left and right eye layers. Merge them down as a single one. Zoom in. Select Eraser. And erase unnecessary parts. Inside the eye. Then a little bit from the edge too. The same on the right eyes as well. Erase the top, then the center, and eventually the edge. A little bit of final touch will do great. Zoom out. Change the layer blending mode to overlay. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Check the colorize box. Change the brightness and saturations sliders a bit. Get back to layers. Make sure the adjustment layer is selected. Hold down Alt, then left click on it. Now, the adjustment layer is masked only on the eyeballs. Double-click on the hue saturation and try to play with hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to get the great result. Guess this'll do good. Yeah, I believe it does. Now go to Layer, Flatten Image. Ctrl A to select all the image. Ctrl C to copy. Get back to the main image tab. Then Ctrl V to paste it. Adjust the position of the foreground layer to match the background layer like a collage. Beautiful. Check this out. This is before, this is after. Before, after. And that's the end of this video tutorial. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching and have a good one.